In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate monday.com with QuickBooks. We'll be setting this up directly inside your monday.com board using the built-in integration options. This is a useful way to connect your workflow in monday.com with your accounting process in QuickBooks, so actions in your board can help trigger the right financial steps automatically. To begin, open the board where you want this integration to live and click on Integrate. This opens the integrations area for that specific board, where you can browse or search for apps you want to connect. Once that panel appears, type in QuickBooks in the search field. Searching helps narrow down the available integrations quickly, especially if you have a long list of apps and automation options visible. When QuickBooks appears in the results, click on QuickBooks to open its available integration templates. These templates are pre-built automation recipes, which make setup much faster than creating everything from scratch. Next, click on Use Template. This tells monday.com that you want to start with the suggested QuickBooks workflow instead of building a custom automation manually. It's usually the easiest option if you want a fast, guided setup. After that, click on Create Automation. At this point, the automation builder opens so you can customize the specific conditions and actions for the integration. This is where you define what should happen and when it should happen. Now click on the status field and change it. This step is important because the status is typically the trigger for the automation. In other words, you're telling monday.com which status change should cause the QuickBooks action to run. Then click on the next editable field, labeled something generic in the template, and change it to match the action you want. This part lets you fine-tune the automation so it reflects your actual workflow instead of the default placeholder. Next, click on Customer and choose the appropriate customer-related option. This connects the automation logic to the correct customer information, which is especially important if you want records in QuickBooks to match the right data from monday.com. After that, click on QuickBooks Account. This is where you choose the QuickBooks account you want monday.com to connect with. Make sure you select the correct account, especially if you manage more than one business or company file. Finally, click on Connect. You'll then be redirected to QuickBooks to complete the authorization process. From there, just follow the prompts to approve the connection between the two platforms. Once that's done, your monday.com and QuickBooks integration should be connected and ready for use. It's a good idea to review the automation one more time before relying on it, just to make sure each field is mapped the way you want.